Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are going in Family Dollar to check out some more clearances. They supposed to have some cookies clearance out and it's supposed to be some more household stuff. I'm looking for some candle warmers, so let's see if they got those. My mom used those. This is my second store. I'm going to try to make it quick. Let's go. Okay guys, so I went to another store, found these that's originally $6. They're $1. I did grab two of these from the other store though. Okay, they have coloring books, Day of the Dead. They're originally $3. They are $1 now. Okay, the jewelry boxes right here, $2. They are coming up $1. This is coming up not available in the store, so I'm going to check and see the price of it. Ceramic candle holder right here is originally $5. It came up at $2.50, so those are half. Okay, none of the candles are on sale. I scanned all of it. Those are not on sale as of yet, so I will not be getting those. So this is the first store. See, the belly base is regular $14. See, it's the wide pan. That's the first time it came up $2 for me, so I'm gonna grab all three of those pans right there. Take all of them. My little brother just moved. Okay, this pot right here, it was $12. Now it's down to $5. So I'm gonna grab one of these for my little brother. I need to grab one. I mean, I wish I can get it cheaper, but it's not going. This didn't go down. Those are still the same price. I'm gonna try to eat. That say not available in store. Okay, so I scanned them and they both came up not available in the store. So I'm actually gonna see how much they are, okay? Then I'll let you guys know, so watch to the end. Okay, you see this tea towel right here. It's the flour sack towel. I don't know how much they are, but when I scanned it, it came up as 50 cents. So that's what I'm telling you guys to scan these towels because they are like the microfibers are 50 cents. Okay, so the Lance cookies, they're originally $1.25. They actually are 5 for 5, so they took 25% off. That's it, just 20%. So they will be the, what's that? Sandwich cookies. So I'm gonna grab 5. They actually had the deal 5 for 5. So this is just on their app. Let's check some more of their candies and see what's on sale. They still have watermelon gummies for 50 cents by the catalog. So I'm gonna grab these for my mom. So far, don't mind the stuff I don't know. Like, I'm gonna have her price check a couple of things in here. But of course, you see I got the pants for $2. I'm buying these for my kids. They got a field trip for the last day of school. And I'm gonna grab some of these candies too. Okay guys, so I found tons more of these. They are 50 cents. Remember I scanned them before. I'm gonna scan them again so you can see, but you see how many I found. Okay, and here they are right here. So I actually took them out of a basket. I don't know how many pans it is, but I'm gonna grab that. That's cute. I was gonna make a pillow out of it. Roll with it. That's what I was gonna make out of that. You guys know the dollar toys are on sale. The dollar toys. So scan a dollar toy, see how much it is. Okay, so I scan it and they 50 cents. So that, oh, that's so cute. That'll be cute for somebody's birthday. I don't have any little tinies that want that type of stuff. So that wouldn't be good for me. Now, the celebration stuff is also still on sale. These are actually 50 cents now. I bought a bunch of greens because that's my fave. So I grabbed those already. Make sure you check your end caps because most of the end caps is the clearance stuff. Okay guys, so see these shoes right here? They say South Pole. They are these. They are $7. But when you scan them, they come up $1. Now these clogs right here, which I'm gonna grab for my son. These right here. Okay. Hi. Okay, these right here. These is house shoes. They $5. Green square. $2. That's how much they are. Scan these. I think they are $1, guys. I don't have anyone to buy them for, but they came out not available in the store. So ask the cashier to scan them. They see these house shoes. It's Green Star, $7. size 6. They coming up $2 in the store. Hey guys, so I am in Family Dollar again. We are scanning. Now you see this right here, the sign? Now look at these right here. See the headbands? I'm gonna scan it for you. So they are 50 cents. So I'm gonna scan a couple of these orange tags to see what else is on sale over here because it is a lot. But I'm gonna grab a couple of these because they actually are. I like these little bands. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, that was just sitting here. But let's start scanning, and hopefully some coupons will attach to them. Okay, so this headband scan is $3.85. It's scanned at $1.50. So I'm taking it. The orange clearance tags are half off. But when I scanned this was not half off. Right here it said $1.40. It still is. Ooh, let me see those dryer sheet. No, see, they didn't bring that down right there. So maybe it's this type of stuff. Let me scan those. Yes, they 75 cents. So let me grab these for my granddaughter back here. Move these out the way. Matter of fact, I grabbed those. Grab some of these bands for her. Okay, see the vase right here? It's $5. It's $2.50. So it's that little metal ring right there. Okay, so see the candle holder gift sets. It's 3 of them. They are scanning at $1. So I'm gonna grab these. I saw this. Okay, these showed up not available in store. I'm gonna see if she can give me a price. And these was, I don't know, stuff, but they $1. So I'm grabbing them. But remember, any Gildan is $1. So if you could find Gildan, that stuff is $1. I think they're clearancing it out of here. So here's some more of the candle holder gifts that's right here. I don't need that many. I'm gonna leave some for other people. I don't need that many. I'm looking for the candle warmers. That's what my mom likes, so I'm looking for those. Okay guys, so you guys see the gold elephant. They $8. They're only $4 now. So those would be cute. Somebody look for those. Those are $4. The lamps right here. See these lamps? They're $5 and they worth 10. Okay, the bulldogs are 10, but when you scan it, they're 5. So those are half off too. And you see the Home Sweet Home sign. Kitchen conversions. They're $1. They 50 cents now. And here it is, 50 cents. Okay, see this is $3. This easel. It holds stuff up. It is now $1. It's the Foley easel, like you could set a picture frame on or something like that. Okay, see the camera block is $8. When I scan it, it is $4, guys. Okay, so see the candles here, sentiment candles. This looks like it's a watermelon. And when I scan it, it is $1.50. So I won't be buying those until they go down a little lower. The sheet sets still, but it's a full now. That's $6, so that's better. Let me see if the queen went down. I scanned that queen set right there, and it's still at $20, so those are not down. Okay, guys, the shower curtain. See this shower curtain right here? I got it from up there. Went down to $3.50. I got to put one in my other bathroom, so I might as well get it there. Okay, I found some of these gift sets, but when I scan it, it's saying not available in store, so you guys know I have them scanned, and if it's still coming up full price, I won't get it. But see these guys right here? These are still coming up full price, $11, so I won't be getting those. And all the candles are still coming up full price in my store, so I won't be getting those. Okay, you guys see this black frame set right here? It's $10. It came up for me as $5. I'm gonna grab that because I do need that. Yeah, so see this traditionals? It's a balance. I scanned it. It's $2, and it's on a end cap, and it looks like this. Okay, guys. So what you see is I got the large pans for $2. That pot was $5. I knew it wasn't a good deal, but it was something that I needed right away for a housewarming. The candy was 50 cents. Go and look for the candy, guys. Those microfiber washcloths, go look for those. The pots are still $2. Now they're having like the shoes are $1, the house shoes are $2, the slippers are $2, those little bitty slip-in shoes for swimming is $2. The Lance crackers, I wish they would go down a little more, but they haven't, so I'm okay with that one. Other than that, guys, I had a great deal. I ended up spending $38, but it's because I had a couple of things. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Bye.